Hello, everybody, and good morning for me and possibly for you as well. It is 8 o'clock in the morning here, which is early for me to be up. I know that's probably not early for a lot of you, but I don't normally get up until 9:30. So I am up early this morning. I have to, we're leaving to go to an Highland Games competition, but I came downstairs to check my YouTube and I was like, oh, I only have one video scheduled for next week. And I was like, oh no, I need to get on that. So I decided to do this quickly before I, ran out of videos on my channel. So for this video, I am using I think it's called the Scrap Room. They do a monthly scrapbooking kit where you get little snippets of collections rather than an entire collection or anything like that. So this was one that I found in my scrapbooking stash that was all, was it? I think it was like a cruise theme. I don't think it was necessarily like boats and beach. I think it was cruise themed. So I decided that I wanted to take some Distress Oxide ink and put it over top of black cardstock just for something different. It's something that I've never done before, and so I used, I think that's speckled egg. Yeah, it is. Speckled egg, which on the packaging looks perfect for the color that's in the Simple Stories collection. But on the black paper turned really like a periwinkle blue colored. So I am going to take a couple different colors of ink, and I think I just take the one color to blend it over top. I was hoping that it would create the correct color. It did end up creating the correct color. I figured if it didn't, I could just grab another piece of cardstock and start again. This is cardstock that came in that little collection kit that I was talking about. I think you usually get a couple pieces of cardstock, 2 or 3 pieces of pattern paper, and then a handful of embellishments. So I just made one layout using this little kit because I didn't really have any cruise photos or anything that really went with like a cruise or a boat theme. I had exactly one photograph of a ship, so that's what I used. Well, I can't get to it. I was going to grab the layout, but I can't get to it right now. I'm just noticing now while I'm blending this ink how patchy it looks on there. I don't know if I blend that out a bit better. It looks like as I blend it, I'm actually pulling ink off of the paper. It's very interesting. So I ended up blending, oh, here's my kitty. She came and visited me on my desk, so I took a couple clips of her wandering around so you all could see her and see how pretty she is. So I have 2 clips of that. I'll put one in another video sometime. Maybe in the video where I'm actually making this layout that she's sitting on. But yeah, that's my kitty Caramel. She's very pretty and very soft. So yeah, I just thought that would be fun. Put a little kitty cat shot in the video. So for this layout, like I said, I'm only using elements that came in that what you want to call it, mini kit, I guess. It came in that mini kit. I cut my paper incorrectly, so I had to figure out a way to use my paper without having enough of it. Yeah. I think that's the back of a 3x4 cut apart sheet, that stripy paper, and I wanted to use some of the cut aparts for something else. I'm sorry. My husband is texting me. And I'm not really sure why. Oh, he's texting me a picture of my puppy out on a walk. But yeah. So, in the kit, I got a handful of die cuts, a couple little 6x4, I think it is, sticker sheets, and maybe was there? I'm trying to remember if there was a like enamel dot Brad's sheet in it. I'm not sure if there was. So what they do is they pick pieces from the collection and they just randomly split them up and put them in different kits. So, you know, the sticker sheet and die cuts that I got in my collection are probably infinitely different than what everybody else got in theirs. I felt like I needed some separation between all of the pattern. I wanted something that was a little bit plainer, that had some textured pattern to it, but it was more of a like soft tone on tone pattern. So I pulled out this piece of paper from Creative Memories, which I have used a lot of that paper. Sorry, now my mom is texting me dog pictures. So that star paper, I think that's my last sheet of that star paper. I've used it a lot. I really like it. I think it was a promotional pack where like when you bought so much product, you got X number of paper packs. And it was right when I joined with Creative Memories, so I bought a lot of product and I got quite a bit of that paper. I was just showing you there that I was using the star to kind of frame the, I don't know if that's the bow of the ship, I'm not sure. The front of the ship. I'm pretty sure that's the bow. I think the stern is the back. But yeah. So this was definitely a challenge for me. I don't really enjoy limiting myself on what supplies I can use. I typically scrapbook at home in my scrapbook room, and I don't have to worry about like, oh, I think I want this sticker here, or I think I would like some, you know, like puffy stickers. So it was definitely a challenge for me. Plus, I don't use a lot of overly themed items unless it's for Disney. I do enjoy using the Disney theme products. Yeah. So let me just see how much time is left on this. Oh, there it is. I was like, it's not telling me, but I found it. It's been a while since I edited everyone. Yeah. So, also, I didn't place my stand for my microphone in a very good place. My boom stand, and I'm having trouble seeing the little layout. Oh my goodness, not the little layout. The video of the layout on my screen. This is why I don't try and do these things first thing in the morning, because my brain doesn't work quite yet. Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. So hopefully this is going to go up for you all next week. And yes, I think this will go up next Thursday. And I guess next week I'm going to be filming and editing a bunch because I was naughty and haven't done any in the past couple weeks, which also means that I haven't done any scrapbooking. I've been really into my coloring books. I have a lot of adult type coloring books, so I've been doing that a lot. Those wood veneer shapes are from Scrapbook. scrapbooking reflections, something, I forget her store name. But they come in that little plastic case that you see, and I hadn't used any of them, so I got them out and used them on this layout. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I'm sorry if this video wasn't super exciting. I am still waking up and haven't had any coffee yet. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all soon. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.